Hello, welcome to my Sunday Front. Today I have a small haul from Kroger because I ran out of like cheese and stuff, and then I saw some things that I wanted, so I have a total of, my total was $10.68, and it says my total savings was 24 cents. So let's see what I got. The first thing I got was peas by Goya. These are green pigeon peas, gandules verdes, and obviously you can make these stewed or you can make them with rice. And so I bought some rice. I like making this rice because this is one of the more easier rices that I can make. This is long grain brown rice. So this one right here cost $1.99. There was another brand for $4.99, but this one, this rice is Kroger rice, and this brown rice right here is 99 cents. Oh, I did see the eggs. They have some eggs, like on the bottom shelf. They have some for like $4.99 right now. And then I saw this right here. This is Kroger barbecue sauce. This is honey sweet barbecue sauce. I love barbecue sauce. I eat this, like I dip this in everything. This is like my dip when you know, when I want to put it on anything, or put anything like fries or anything like that, sandwiches, anything. So then the next things I bought were actually dairy products, and I found they didn't have the regular, I think it's Heritage brand cheese. This one was Kroger brand cheese, and this was priced at American cheese, priced at $2.79 right now. So that's a really good deal for me. And then I bought ground pork for $1.87. So this is, let me see, it doesn't say how many. Oh, it's a pound of pork for $1.87. So I mean, I saved like a few coins. And then I bought the sausage again because like this tastes good on everything, and like my other option is also hot dogs to add, you know, like to any type of dish. If I just want stewed meat, or if I just want tacos, or if I want I don't know, just like, you know, like a quick meal, the meat I choose, you know, to grill or whatever. It has to be easy to prepare. And if I make something from, you know, from the fridge, I just want to pull out some sausage, cook that up. So that's what I have. And that one is, what is it called? John Morrell sausage for $1.25. So that was a very good deal. I think it's usually like $1.80 or something like that. So I got a good deal with the dairy stuff, as well as the pantry canned stuff, canned goods. So I mean, I know last time I bought ground pork, but it was like mixed with beef. And the ground pork, you can make little patties out of it or whatever you want. You can make breakfast sausage with it, or Italian sausage with it. So this is pretty versatile, in my opinion. You can make, you know, those little sausage to put on pizza? You can make that with that ground pork. So I think I did a really good job for under 15 bucks. It's just came out to $10.68. it's just like kind of like restock a little bit, because I basically have everything I need. It's just me in this house, Studio C. It's just, you know, like I said, we work with what we got. And, you know, for the most part, you know, I kind of make a big portions of things and then just save it and freeze it for whenever. So I'm pretty much, you know, I got kind of my routine down. But thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. My son de front. Bye-bye.